This is an unboxing of the Whoop 4.0. It is a fitness tracker that is not a smartwatch, which is really exciting to me because I do not want a smartwatch. I've actually bought an Apple Watch 2 or 3 times now since the first generation came out, and I don't like it. I don't like having notifications on my wrist, and I don't like having to charge another device every day or two. So here is the Whoop 4.0. It says, introducing the next generation of Whoop. The Whoop 4.0 monitor your body's unique physiological behaviors like sleep, recovery, performance, and fitness with the first sensor of its kind designed to capture your data 24/7, including our all-new SuperNet band built for performance and comfort. So this is made in China, but the company is out of Boston, Massachusetts. Some nice ASMR for you. And inside our Whoop, pretty interesting cover. Feels like some sort of recycled paper material there. Here it is. So this is the actual Whoop itself. You can see it's super thin. It is super duper lightweight. There's no screen on it. There's nothing. It just has a sensor on the back of it. And of course it has a battery because it has to hold a charge. We have a little setup guide here. This is very nice packaging. Seems very Nike-esque. If Nike were to buy a fitness tracking company, Whoop seems like their vibe. If we lift here, this looks like a Whoop charger, I would assume. Yep. And we have a little short, super short cable here. Surprised it's not micro USB or USB-C. It's USB-C on this side, but then it's regular USB on this side here. I don't even have that on my MacBook. But anyways, you plug this in here like so. You plug it into your computer or into a power brick, which they don't include. And then you put your Whoop on it. So I'm going to get this thing set up. That was just a quick unboxing, and I'm going to go work out. So remove before using. Boom, that is removed. Let's see. Get this guy off. Here we go. Boom, done. Remove before using here. You can see a bunch of sensors on the back there. It says always on, Whoop 4.0, right there. There it is. And then this will just go on my arm. Let's see, like so. So I'm going to put it on there. Let's see, how do we tighten it? That's a little strange. Oh, maybe it just clips in. Maybe the other way. Yep. There we go. Woo! I am all set. 2.5 minutes from start to finish, unboxing this whole thing. There it is. There's the Whoop. It's actually pretty solid size. I don't even need to resize it. That's impressive. Just kind of. So I'm going to charge this guy up. I'm going to go work out, and I will do a review video in a few weeks.